What are the challenges that impede business growth, and how can advanced solutions pave the way for success? The answers lie in the revolutionary technology known as cloud computing. Cloud computing is a powerful tool providing businesses with an array of services that are designed to streamline operations, reduce costs, and foster innovation. It's an umbrella term that encompasses three main components: infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, platform as a service, or PaaS, and software as a service, or SaaS. Imagine IaaS as the foundation of a building. It provides the fundamental resources such as virtual machines, storage, and networks. Businesses that utilize IaaS gain the advantage of scalability, only paying for what they use, and thus can efficiently manage their resources. Now, envision PaaS as the framework of the building. It's a platform that provides the environment for developers to create, test, and manage software applications. PaaS fosters innovation, enabling businesses to quickly adapt to market changes and stay ahead of the competition. Lastly, think of SaaS as the fully furnished rooms of the building. SaaS delivers software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. It eliminates the need for businesses to install and run applications on their own computers or data centers, saving them significant upfront costs and ongoing maintenance. Now let's bring it all together. A.A.B.S, an advanced business solutions provider, offers a PaaS procurement portal. This platform provides businesses with tailored solutions and access to various cloud services and providers. It's designed to streamline procurement processes, making it easier for businesses to access the services they need to grow. In summary, cloud computing, with its three main components, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, provides businesses with the tools they need to overcome growth challenges. It offers scalability, cost efficiency, and fosters innovation. And with platforms like the one offered by A.A.B.S, businesses can easily access and utilize these advanced solutions, unlocking their potential for growth. So the next time you ponder about the challenges your business is facing, remember the power of cloud computing and the solutions it provides.